Welcome to Perpetual Income 365 Review. The pros and cons in Make Money Online system of the Perpetual Income 365. In this video, you will see the opportunity to make money online while work from home and have a quarantine income. Contrary to popular belief, making an attractive income is not rocket science. If you know the ways to move your business towards the society via affiliate marketing, the task of making money becomes quite easy. Unfortunately, in recent time, a large number of people have tried hard yet failed to boost up their businesses. If you are one of them, then Perpetual Income 365 can be your best option. With a strong Netflix algorithm, it can help even the newbies of affiliate marketing to earn a lot of money. But what is Perpetual Income 365, and is it for you? Everything that you need to know before buying it has been mentioned next for your better understanding. So, to know more, do read on. About Perpetual Income 365. In simple words, Perpetual Income 365 can be defined as a marketing software via which you can earn a huge income online. For those who are well familiar with affiliate marketing, it is a plug-play affiliate system that will allow you to make affiliate sales via which you can earn additional income. This guide or program is based on micro-commitment consistency compounding algorithm (MCCA). It happens to merge together compound interest with human behavior and cognitive science. With this easy-to-use option, earning more returns as possible. The creator of this system happens to be Sean Josiah. He is known for gaining a huge amount in affiliate network clickbait. When it comes to affiliate marketing, Sean's peers know him for being a seven-figure earner. Packages of Perpetual Income 365. It is a three-part package which is made up of the MCCA Toolbox, One-Click Content Stack and Income Leverage Bounty. By the package, it is clear that it is an associate promoting bundle that even amateurs can gain from. It happens to incorporate instant press pages of the user's decision. There is also web facilitating of the pages along with an email follow-up grouping. The ways you send and pay for your traffic is up to you. However, the package will also provide a manual which will help the user in matters related to solo advertisement traffic. The user has to join ClickBank, which is a subsidiary system. She also has to join an email showcasing administration known as GetResponse. Once you have joined both, then only the juice will start to flow and you will be able to furnish your page URL. When a guest likes your press page, then they will be coordinate to the business page of Perpetual Income 365. And when the guests happen to make a purchase, you will automatically get half of what they pay as commission. For this reason, this program is also considered as one of the easiest ways to earn money. Benefits enjoyed by the users. With Perpetual Income 365, the users can enjoy a lot of benefits which will help them to make a steady and desirable income. Some of the benefits of using this program are as follows. Perfect for the newbies. There is a lot to learn about affiliate marketing. If you are new to it, then it will take you a couple of days to get the hang of things. This guide is made for newcomers in this field. Their user-friendly, almost completed framework is for those who are just starting out. With the framework being done and other components of the program, both pros and newbies alike can start to use it in order to earn a hefty income. Bonuses. Besides the three-part package, the user is also getting 3 ebooks as bonuses. One of the 3 ebooks is Recurring Revenue Master Plan, which has step-by-step guide for planning for a recurring revenue. Another one of the 3 ebooks is Income Commander, which will teach users to make money by using simple means. And lastly, the Start Today Tiny Subscription Big Profits ebook can help you to have a huge amount of profit. Solo ads traffic. It is associated with how you need to instruct vendors to do emails on your behalf. You are getting the traffic of the favored vendor, and this is the main benefit you are getting from Perpetual Income 365. Free email swipes. Because of this particular advantage, the automatic email follow-up grouping will be done for around a month on your behalf. So, for about a month, you do not need to worry about anything. You can use the saved time wisely to build your brands more, or learn how you can use affiliate marketing to your advantage. The possibilities are endless. Besides, it provides an opportunity for you to pursue your customers more conveniently for free continuously for about a month. Free squeeze page. For those who do not have a clue about squeeze page, it can be explained as the pages where the messages happen to be vivid and crisp. The length of this pages is small. With just one view, a guest can understand what you want to represent or sell. So, for both newbies and pros in affiliate marketing, squeeze pages are an important tool. The best thing about Perpetual Income 365 is that it happens to offer free squeeze pages. As a user, all you need to do is provide the message you want to provide. Different designs of squeeze pages are available for free, and once you purchase Perpetual Income 365, you can get your hands on those designs as well. Pros. Besides the above-mentioned benefits, some other benefits of Perpetual Income 365 are: it provides a money-back guarantee. The customer service is very helpful and supportive, and the response time is usually within 24 to 48 hours. It is reasonably priced and quite affordable. All techniques are easy to understand and apply. Cons: the user of Perpetual Income 365 has to be committed and needs to be patient with the program in order to gain the expected results. So, from this drawback, it is clear that anyone who is using the program has to understand that it will work only if they give it enough time and follow all the instruction perfectly as mentioned. Conclusion. So, it is safe to say that Perpetual Income 365 is a great product for those who are looking for a quick way to earn a lot of money. It is simple to use, as the techniques and methods explained in the program are provided in an easy way. The program provides bonuses as well, which further help the user to achieve his/her dream financial state. The money-back guarantee also makes it a risk-free option as well. See the link below for more details. Thank you.